मेटा बाइंग के ऊपर 98 मिलियन दिरहम मेरा एड स्पेंड है।
वन कल्चर कि यार आपको जो एक्सवाइजी सैलरी दे रहे हो उससे
स्टिल अभी मतलब बहुत सारे लोगों ने ज्वाइन किया।
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm here in front of you guys with an amazing video, that's gonna make your life much more easier if you're not decisive in buying a posting plan for your, business or, website. So this is a tool that's basically created by us. You can access this tool through tool.shahnuahmed.com. I'll paste the link into the description. So it's basically a AI powered hosting advisory. So what this tool is gonna do for you guys is gonna make your life much more easier. And if you're confused in buying any domain, and if you don't know, if you have no knowledge about buying a domain, then you can use this tool to buy, or you can give an amazing prompt as per your needs. This tool is get hosting recommendations for you basically. So uh let's just buy this tool out. I'm gonna paste the link into the description, guys. So let's just hop into it. I'm gonna give a prompt. It's basically AI based, the posting advisory. So let's just, there is an example where I'm building a React e-commerce app, expecting 10K users per month, need good performance and SEO budget around 50K. So let's just tap in. I have a requirement, a simple. I am building a simple WordPress static one pager website for my portfolio. Please suggest me top postings. And my budget will be around, you can add like as per your needs, $30. So just search it. Sorry, let's just make the spelling. Remember these spelling mistakes, all these for dash. So let's just get the costing recommendations. So here it is. Number 1 is Ocean. Number 2 is Namecheap. Number 3 is Infinity Free. Number 4 is WP Engine, and so on. Bluehost, Vercel, and so on. The list goes. Yeah, so it's basically it's what this tool is gonna do for you guys. It's gonna make your life more easier, so that if you're stuck and you don't know about anything about the posting plans, what you want to go for your website. So this tool is definitely gonna help you. You are just gonna you have to just give this tool a prompt and your budget, that what you have in your mind. It's gonna suggest you a few suggestions. So you can buy what you're posting through this tool basically. That's basically Gateways. So I'm gonna mention my affiliate links into my description. If you want to buy in your domain or hosting, please make sure to use that affiliate links. So that's all for now. Have a good day. Bye bye.